Hey guys, it's John with Kingdom Marketing Lab bringing you another video today. This is video 2 of the 3-part series, and today is the birthday marketing video, and I'm super excited about this one. In any business, you need to have some form of birthday marketing. The reason being is because birthdays happen every day of the week, every month. It's super important and super valuable to any business to be able to capture the birthday market. So you can automatically target local residents within 5 to 25 miles who are having a birthday within the next 7 days. And then you can instantly collect contact information and send birthday vouchers and reminder notices via email and text messaging. And then you can conveniently extend a complimentary birthday meal, gift, promo, anything you want, and invite them to celebrate with their friends and family. So would you like to consistently increase your foot traffic, sales, and customer frequency? We understand the top challenges local businesses face, and one of them is generating a consistent flow of new customers. Secondly, would be increasing customer frequency. And third is increasing brand lift through ongoing visibility and exposure. So here's why birthday marketing is so important for a local business. The most obvious reason to have a birthday club is to cater to the customers that love to celebrate their birthday. As your restaurant or business becomes their destination spot, birthdays are the most popular occasion to dine out, get a massage, etc. It's also one of the most common overlooked marketing systems many businesses fail to incorporate. We believe this is the best system we found to drive a daily new customers and boost revenue immediately into your business. And here are some of the things that we like about it. The exposure. I mean, customers have a birthday 24/7, 365, right? And it promotes goodwill. You're actually giving back to the customer because you're giving them some type of promo to be able to come back into your business. And it works great because regardless of the economic collapse or whatever economic conditions, there's always birthdays and people will always celebrate them. And this is a way to build your business 7 days a week, and birthdays are year round. Now, with birthday campaigns, it's much more profitable than a new customers program. You have geographic exclusivity. You'll always get new customers 7 days a week, no matter what. You have a great ROI when you run these campaigns. And birthday guests are your most profitable customers because they usually do not come alone. They usually bring 3 to 4 guests with them. And for a restaurant, the average table is around $78 per table. So here's how it works. One, we do highly targeted marketing. We first put your business in front of a targeted audience of people who will be celebrating a birthday within the next 7 days. And the advertisement is geographically targeted to show only to birthday patrons within a 10-mile radius of your business or restaurant. And because our process reaches these potential customers right before their birthday, they are most targeted, fresh, and qualified leads you could ever have. And 2 would be custom registration, whether it's on your website or a messenger bot or a landing page. What we do is we have them fill out a registration form that provides their name, email, and phone, when they're coming, the date that they're coming, how many people that they're coming with. This is just a good way to be able to grab customer information so in the future we can market to them. And third, we all heard that the fortune is in the follow-up. So what we do is we make sure we follow up with the customers that did the registration, either through email or text or some type of messenger notification, and they will automatically be notified just to give them a little reminder that they have a table reservation. So here are some examples of what a birthday marketing campaign might look like. So for a restaurant, it could be a free meal. For a spa business, it could be a free 15 or 30-minute massage. For a hair salon, it could be a free haircut or free color. And potentially for a car wash, it could be a free car wash. Now, here's just a little list of businesses that could really benefit from a birthday marketing campaign, or at least incorporating some version of it. So we're talking barbershops and beauty shops, spas, laser hair removal, cosmetic surgery, services, escape rooms, golf courses, restaurants, and bars. This is just a really fantastic way to be able to grab customer information at a point in time that they are going to celebrate. The thing is who are they going to celebrate their birthday with? And usually it's the people that are marketing to them, giving them a deal or a promo to come in the door. I hope you guys really incorporate some version of birthday marketing in your marketing arsenal. It's truly powerful. Like I said, it's 24/7, 365. It's not going anywhere, and you can always get a fresh set of new leads 7 days a week. I hope this video helped, and we'll be back with another video.